Hello everyone. Today I'm out doing some repairs on the company van, the Ford Transit. Now the task today is changing the bulb on the side repeater. And to access this bulb, you have to take off the tires, take off the wheel arch before you can have access to it. It's just right at the back there. So all you need to do is twist and push out. And there you have it. There. Oh boy. So right there, then twist this, pull it out, and that's the bulb. Old one off. Then let's get the new one on. New bulb on. Yeah. And let's put this, let's fit this back into place. That's it back into place. Then put it in and twist for it to sit in place. So there you have it. All right, now next is checking to see if it's working. So for this, what we're going to do is hazard lights on. That's it on. Et voila, there you have it. So if anyone is thinking of getting a Ford Transit, or you already have a Ford Transit and you need to change the side repeater, this is a tutorial to help you do that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and follow us for more helpful content like this. Until next time, drive safe.